Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you already get to this part, you already know what I have in my hands. And this is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium gray. Alright? It's not my phone. My dad decided he wanted a phone, so he rented this, and now he has to pay it off in 2 years so it can be his. But I'm just gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. I don't think I'm gonna make this video long. I have to unbox with one hand because I have to hold my phone and record. But enough of the yapping, let's get into it. I'll hit that good music on the background. Let's get ready for this shit. There we go. As you can see, the camera lens is already on. The protective glass is already on. So you can see that I wasn't the first to unbox this shit. I just unbox it for the rest of it. There we go. Super clean, super nice. Let's see that display. I can't lie, guys. I probably was hating on it too hard, but you gotta have to watch the next video to see if it was actually too hard. So yeah, that's a little unboxing video for you guys. What else is in the box? Well, let's find out. Let's get that to the side like these girls' drawers. Open this shit up. Bro, I don't know how I don't have any girls in my bed right now. I'm smooth with that one hand technique. Yo, I swear. It's a bit difficult to record and hold the damn device to record, guys. I swear. Okay, so in the box, you get that SIM ejector. You got the manual. And you also get this nice Type-C to Type-C charger. Well, the wire at least. Made in Vietnam. There we go. So, when buying a oh shit, yeah. When buying a Galaxy, that's all you're getting in your box. That's all. It's not so fun anymore to unbox devices because I'm not going to use this. I already have one. I don't really care what that's saying. I'll read that when I'm bored. Thank you. And this. So now they make it a way for you to pay all that money just for this. But there you go. Just a little view. Underneath that side, just look at that. And my phone doesn't want to focus on that shit. There we go. At the top, your side. Just look how big those camera bumps are. Let's get a whip of that S Pen. Give it room, give it room. Here it's about to come out. You see that? Oh shit, let's see how good this is. Oh, nice. Not me just having a cry for help. Yeah, to be honest, I like it, but as I said, get to the next video where I'll be actually destroying this device, talking about and comparing it with my S22 Ultra that I bought 2 years ago. Is it better than it? I guess you have to watch the next video to find out.